This is my drawing of Charizard from Pokemon, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. We're going to begin in the center of our page with the top edge of the muzzle. So let's start with a curve starting from the left, bend this down and then up towards the right. Now let's curve this around and then down. Now I'm going to move to the inside and draw on the nostrils. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to swirl this around and out, and then just curl that back up underneath so there's a little overlap on the inside. We can do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go to the center, add a curve going up and then down. Move out to the side and draw the brow. We're going to bend this in and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to step over, curve the eye. We're going to go up, bend that all the way out towards the end, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw the bottom edge of the eye, starting back over on the left, bend this up, and then out. Now in between these two lines, we're going to step in, draw the side of the eye. We're going to go around and then in. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside, so we're going to draw another curve from the left, bend this down and in towards the bottom. Now underneath the eyelid, we're going to draw an oval, coming down and then up for the pupils. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's go back to the center, step down and draw the top edge of the mouth. So we're going to come all the way down in the middle, start with a point. Let's bend the mouth going out and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, round this out, and pull this up towards the right. Now I want to add a fold on the end, so I'm going to step down, bend this out and then down. Round up the mouth and just curl that back up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add a bracket on the ends. From the bottom of this curve, we're going to add the fangs. We're going to come down and in towards the bottom. Now let's taper this so it goes wider as you come up and then in underneath the mouth. Let's open up the jaw. We're going to start over on the left side, bend this in, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now I want to close off the bottom with a curve, but I'm going to step out, going up and then down on the end. Let's add two smaller fangs, bend this up and then in. Now let's add in the tongue. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this around and up, bend this across and then down towards the right. Let's create an overlap. So we're going to step back towards the center, going up towards the right, come around and then down. Now we're going to go back to the bottom of the eyelid, step out and draw the cheeks. We're going to start on the left. Go around the mouth, come down. Now we're just going to bend that in to right about there, and then do the exact same thing on the right, pulling that in towards the same height. Now let's bend this in, come all the way down towards the chin. Let's round up the chin with a curve, coming down, across, and then up. Let's go back up to the top. It's going to round up the side of the head towards the eye and back out towards the brow. And I want to add a thick brow going around the top of the eye. So starting back on the left, curve this around, come in, and then down. Let's close off the top of the head with a curve from the left brow. I'm going to go up, across, and then down. Let's add those two large horns on top of the head. So we're going to start on the left, draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's round up the end and just pull that down towards the outside. Now these horns get wider as they come down and then in on top of the brow. And then we'll go back and draw the side of the neck with two straight angled lines, starting from the jaw. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Charizard from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.